Do you know there's 3 things that you can tell your mechanic so that they can fix your vehicle faster, cheaper, and more accurately? Hey, I'm Rob, the car guy with Kindred Automotive, and today we're talking about just that, how you can avoid situations like this. Yeah, my car's making a noise. Squeaking, humming, buzzing. You know the sound a penguin makes when it flaps its wings? You know that sound when your kids are being way too quiet? It's like the sound that grass makes when it grows, but underwater. I don't know, it's like a noise shouldn't be there. Front of the car, back of the car, sides, top, bottom. Kind of like the inside out. How many times does it happen? Like all the time. Gotcha, so we drive it, we'll definitely hear it then. I mean, sometimes I don't hear it for weeks, I don't know. So, any ideas? Now, what you need to understand is the first step in your mechanic fixing any problem with your vehicle is they have to be able to duplicate whatever it is that's going wrong. So if your vehicle's always having this problem, that's pretty simple, but that's not always the case. Sometimes this is a noise or a vibration that comes and goes, and so there are 3 things that you can do to help your mechanic find these problems faster. The first thing you can do to help your mechanic is to explain the problem in as much detail as possible. For example, if it's making a strange noise, don't be afraid to act it out, even if it's a little uncomfortable. And if you don't have the courage to do that, you can just take a simple video of the problem. Doesn't have to be that complicated, you could just use your cell phone. The second thing that you can do is look for patterns when this problem occurs, especially if this isn't something that's a constant issue. For example, does it happen every time you hit the gas when going around a left turn, or does it only happen after it rains, after you've had turkey for lunch? Anything that you can provide the mechanic will help them duplicate the problem so that they can fix it. The third thing you can do is offer to take the mechanic on a test drive. After all, who knows the vehicle better than you? A lot of people don't think about this, but it can be tremendously helpful in getting them to find the problem faster and make sure they're fixing the correct problem for you. So in short, the more prepared you are when you bring your vehicle in, the more information you can provide. That helps them duplicate the problem faster and get your vehicle fixed sooner. So what other information would you like to see to help you take care of your car? Let us know in the comments below and maybe we'll make a future video about it. I'm Rob, the car guy with Kindred Automotive. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.